If you want to enter or quit from your safe mode on your Google Pixel 9, so it's quite easy to do. First of all, we have to summon our power off menu. You may do this through your quick settings menu by tapping on this button, or you can use your button combination. There are many ways of doing this. So locate your power off button, hold your finger on it, and here you'll see your reboot to save mode window. So press OK and give your phone some time to reboot. So the safe mode basically disables all the third-party apps, and most of the time it's used just for checking whether any third-party apps are stopping your phone, or maybe slowing them down, or maybe some of them have malware or other harmful software, right? So give your phone some time to load up. And let's see, we're in the safe mode. You can understand this by this little sign right here in the bottom left corner. Let's add our pen, and our phone can be used as usual, just without third-party apps. To access from your safe mode, swipe down from the top right corner once again, or as I said, summon your power off menu and simply choose restart or power off, it doesn't matter. So I'll choose restart, and your phone will be booted in your normal mode. And basically that is it. And I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.